Irish football fans reacted immediately to the World Cup playoff draw, driving a spike in airline spending as the Green Army planned their route to Prague for the upcoming match against Czechia, according to a special AIB football spend trend. Customers banking with AIB spent $250,000 on flights between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. on November 20th, a 69% increase on the same hour the previous week. The figures reflect a scramble for direct routes and multi-leg alternatives across Europe, as supporters moved quickly to secure travel arrangements. The team's victory in Budapest also increased demand for merchandise. On the 17th of November, the day after Ireland's win over Hungary, spending by AIB customers in sports clothing shops surpassed the 1 million mark. This marked the highest level of sports apparel spending this year, exceeding a notable 802,000 recorded just 2 days earlier. The increase was highly unusual for a Monday in November and followed record shopping activity linked directly to the team's performance, it said. Supporters who travelled to Budapest also recorded the highest level of AIB customer spending in Hungary in over 2 years. On November 16, spending was dominated by food and drink, with restaurants accounting for 34% of transactions. Pubs represented 19% of expenditure. Fast food outlets were 5.4%, and duty-free purchases following closely behind. The average restaurant transaction came to €25.46. Back at home, pub spending on the same day rose 10% compared to the previous Sunday. More purchases were recorded in Irish pubs during the hour after the match than while the actual game was being played, following a 96th minute winning hat-trick by Troy Parrott.